Here's a quick video to show you how to find movies in the Mercer Library collection. This is one of the most common questions we get. We do have over 2,000 movies in our collection now, so we don't have just one list, and we don't have a printed list. It changes practically every week, and it's just too long for us to manage. But there is a way for you to search our catalog to see what's in there. If you go to our website, mercerpubliclibrary.org, go under Find Books and go to the Merlin Library Catalog. The easiest way to do this is to do a search by keyword for the letters DVD and limit search to Mercer. When you're at home, it starts by limiting search to all Merlin items, but you want to change that to Mercer. Click Search. And then you're going to get a list of 2,591 results. So that's an awfully long list to sort through. But it is the one way to go ahead and get a list of every movie that Mercer owns. Some other suggestions are to do the keyword search again, including the letters DVD, because that'll give you just movies, and then include maybe the name of your favorite actor, like Sam Rockwell or something like that. Then you'll see that there are 13 movies in our collection that feature Sam Rockwell, or at least turned up in that search result. So if I click on one, for example, Frost Nixon, and you scroll down, you can see that Sam Rockwell shows up in the cast. So that's why this one turned up in that search. So I hope that's helpful. If you have any questions, never hesitate to give us a call, 715-476-2366, or send me an email, director@mercerpubliclibrary.org.